Hello and welcome to the Journey of the Storyteller online workshop. My name is Nicole Donoho and I will be your instructor through the workshop. Behind every writer is their own story. So here's my story. My name is Nicole Donoho. I'm a storytelling coach. I began writing stories when I was 10 years old. I'm a wife and mother of 3 boys. My youngest son, Solomon, recently published his book, The Legend of DJ Awesome. I published my first book in 2007, and I've been coaching authors since 2012. I founded Teddyfly in 2019 and began publishing other authors' stories. Within the publishing industry, I've authored and published over 18 books of my own. I've worked as a ghostwriter and developmental editor for award-winning and best-selling authors. I've illustrated and formatted the interior of countless books. And I've coached hundreds of authors on how to write, profitably publish, and sell their books in bulk. So why a storytelling course? Well, I love hosting workshops for all ages about writing, publishing, and storytelling. But I'm just one person and can't be everywhere at once. So creating this virtual course allows me to partner with libraries, teachers, and other organizations to expand the amount of writers I can reach and impact. So I hope you enjoy.